There's a pencil drawer up top in the center. Also a 1/2 inch bottom. And more very nice sapwood in the drawer boxes. Very pretty. Happy with how this turned out. Coming around to the back side of the desk, we have a solid walnut door. I book matched the glue up the best I could. Has a very nice flow to it. You'll notice a shadow line milled into this door. That actually follows the apron. This desk was drawn that way. This door is to represent the front of a bird box. So we have a hole here, a white oak dowel for a perch, which also serves as a handle to open and close the door. Here's the inside. Very pretty. More 3/4 inch A1 walnut plywood set up for an adjustable shelf. And you can see that on all the edges we have hardwood edge banding as opposed to edge band tape. This entire cabinet carcass and the leg, as well as the bottom, were all ran through the shaper, and all these seams were glued and clamped for a much more substantial end result. The leg is bolted to the top. There are threaded inserts drilled and installed in the top to secure the leg. And the outside of the leg has a solid walnut brace on it. This was drawn by Drakakis Architecture. And you can see here that the top is parallelogram shaped. There were some delays in the schedule regarding this. We got pushed off once or twice to hold off for delivery while cabinets were being installed. And now this build is finally coming to a close. Another detail I forgot to mention, if you look at these two drawer fronts here, you'll see that the grain is continuous across the top drawers from one end of the desk all the way to the other. That was intentional.